welcome to my channel. Today we will do Roots and Wings, class 7th main course book, chapter number 5, Nature's Message to Mankind. Questions. This A part and this C part answers I will show you and I will read it also. So let me show you the answers. These are the answers of chapter 5. Answer the following questions orally. Question number 1. Name the various elements of nature depicted in the play. Answer. Clouds, trees, the earth, breeze, lightning, rivers, sea, the rain, sun and ozone are depicted in the play. Question number 2. How did Mr. Lightning contribute in building the party atmosphere? Answer. Mr. Lightning provided flashy light in the background and blazed across the sky. Question number 3. Give one reason for the fishes dying in rivers. Garbage flowing into the rivers has killed the fishes. Question number 4. What was Mr. Earth's regret? Mr. Earth lamented that humans have put stilts and built concrete structures which are painful and they use fertilizers to grow crops that hurts the earth. It was dismal and all pollution was man-made. Question number 5. Why did Mr. Cloud change its course? Answer. Mr. Cloud changed its course because many hills and mountains have been destroyed to build cities, towns and roads. These are C part answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How did the elements of nature party? Answer. The elements of nature partied by enjoying the fresh air and breeze and doing all the things which they enjoy without pollution. Question number 2. Why was Mr. Breeze flushed? Answer. Mr. Breeze was flushed because he had blown over different parts of the world and had been shocked to see that forests were disappearing fast as trees had vanished in large numbers and deserts were expanded. Question number 3. What was Mr. Tree's lament? Answer. Mr. Tree lamented that trees were being cut down in large numbers for human beings to grow crops and to make buildings and dams. Question number 4. According to Mr. Ozone, what was responsible for the depletion of his strength? Answer. According to Mr. Ozone, the chemicals, fumes and smoke that emitted from factories and vehicles depleted his strength. Question number 5. State the problems faced by Mr. C. Answer. Mr. C's problems were the tons of garbage that flowed into him and the air, oil spills from ships that polluted the water and endangered sea creatures. Further, greenhouse gases caused global warming, which resulted in glaciers melting and rising sea levels to submerge islands. Question number 6. Do you think that the various elements of nature expressed happiness towards the end of the play? Did they all hold the same opinion? Answer. No, the elements of nature were not happy at the end of the play. They were all sad and worried. They all agreed that a message had to be sent to humans and to remind them to stop polluting rivers, seas and the air and to stop cutting trees and instead to plant trees and save forests. Question number 7. How did nature attempt to explain its state of mind to educate mankind at the end of the play? Answer. Nature warned human beings through heavy rains, floods, landslides, etc. Okay, done friends. If you like my videos, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.